at you, eat. Can you say mommy for the camera? Yeah, you can do it. Say mommy. What is that? Do you like banana? It's about as fast as you can put it in.
Maybe one more.
What is it, Ben? What is that?
Wipe your face. Oh, you want a clean one? Sorry.
Wipe your face, Ben. Wipe your face.
What's this? Doesn't do it anymore.
He used to wipe his face, honest.
Get that thing out of my way. Want some food?
Benjamin. Benjamin. Hey, Benjamin, come here. Benjamin. Over here. Hi. Can you crawl to Daddy? Can you crawl? Show us your new crawl. Show us your new crawl. Come here. This is just about his first day crawling. A good crawl. Come here. Come here. Come here, Ben. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Show us your crawl. Come on. Show us your crawl. Come here. Oh, that's a good crawl. It's kind of like a crippled spider, actually. Come here and get it. Come here, Ben. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, finally you're strong enough to get that big belly off the ground. Come on. Come on, come here. Come on, you can do it. Come here, Ben. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. What's that? Go. You can do it. Come here. Come here, Ben. Come here. Come here. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, what a struggle. What a struggle. Hey, that's my lens cap. Hey. Here, my lens cap back. Hey, you're grabbing my camera. Hey. Oh, oh, oh.
Benjamin! Oh, you like me better than the lens cap, don't you? No. Benjamin. Benjamin. Come here. Come here. Come here.
This is what how long it's been crawling?
About a week.
Has it been a week?
Probably a little less.
By far the fastest he's crawled tonight. He is cruising. He can sit up. Is that your chair? Everyone, your new trick. Now that you're crawling, you have a little balance. Yay! Yay! Okay, how about this trick? We're thinking about buying a boat and mounting Ben on the front of it like this. Pretty good, huh? Yay for Ben! Yay for Ben!
Good thing he knows to spit it out rather than
Come here, Ben. Come here. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Can you come here and bring your bread? Just need a little snack for some energy on the way. Look at you, come here. What is it? Can't find your bread? You're sitting on it. What is that? Look at that little bald head. Look at that little bald head. Can you say mama? Mama. Mama. Look, Mom's doing the dishes.
You like that? Excuse me, Ben. Something's going on here. What's in there, Ben? I don't care, I just want to eat. What are you looking at?
Clear your throat, man.
He smokes too much.
What is it, man? Easter. That's my wife, Wendy. Yeah, that's her there. And that's my Easter basket I got this morning. Let's read it together. Tim, it says. I'll get this so you can see it. You have been pretty good this year. Share this with your wife. And if you start making more money, your basket will be bigger next year. Signed, E. Bunny. Let's see what I got. Ooh. Some Sundance. Sugar-free. Fresh juice, kind of. Carbonated. Toothbrush. You know how bunnies feel about tooth decay. Oh. Some stag chili. Good. Twix bar. Deodorant. Okay, some eggs. Let's see what we got in this one. Let's see what Wendy gave me. Here it is. 40% off. Crispy Tastios and then the honey roasted flakes. That's good. Let's see what else. Garlic. It'll help prevention there thing. Okay, good look at that garlic. Here it is. Ooh. Chapsticks. Those are important. You need those. What else? The last cookie. They had a big bag of this. The last one she gave it to me for Easter. This is what we call a practical Easter. Is there anything you'd like to say?
Those are all special things. They're not practical.
Oh, I meant special. Wendy didn't celebrate Easter a lot at her home. She's learning. We're being patient with her. You want to say anything? Was Ben good today? What is special about today?
It's Easter.
And?
Sunday.
And? World General Conference.
Conference.
That's right. Ben played in the lobby. He was good. Of course, we told ourselves we never let our kids play in the lobby, but, you know, when they're that happy, you know, it's hard to stop them. Let's see what Wendy brings in her bag to church. Just the essentials. Cookies? Anything else? Nope. This baby bag is just an excuse for her to bring food to church. And a banana, half peeled and still in the bag. Gross.
We'll put it back in there.
Say goodbye. Hi, Ben. It's Easter. And you've just attacked my Easter basket. Hi, look at you. Hey, you.
Back off from the camera. Let go. Let's see you stand. Let's see you stand. Can you stand up? Can you stand up, Ben? There you go. No. You big cheater. Can you stand up? Can you stand up? Can you? Stand up. Ben, can you walk to Dad? Come here. Walk to Daddy. Come here. Come here. Oh, look at you walking. Come here. Come here. Oh, you're getting good, Ben. Whoops. Here, I'll help you up. Okay, walk to Dad. Whoops. Come here. Come on. Okay, now hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Get your balance. Get your balance. Oh! Get your balance. Get your balance. Oh, slow down. Ben, you're destroying that hymnal. That's for seminary, not for you. Come here, Ben. Come here. Come here. No, get up and walk. You silly. There you go. There you go. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get up and walk to me. Dirt. Is that good dirt? We're trying to teach you not to eat dirt by letting you eat it.